Thank you, sir. Take a second.
When you sort of shared it with your family and your friends, and what was their immediate reaction and how did it feel?
First time when the results were out, I was just checking the list again and again. The ranks were not declared, marks were out. So I was like, okay, great. I called up my dad and I said, probably I'm getting a rank, but I'm not too sure because no one is congratulating me, anything, nothing is confirmed. So one by one, when everyone started, congratulations started, and that thing really sinked in. And the day when actually Vidyasagar said I got a message, okay, yeah, then I was like, no, I'm sure. Then I told everyone, and then my dad went and he actually got sweets and he distributed everywhere, and things happened. There was no it was you only seeing the result in
yes.
My one when everyone started.
Anybody who follows you, and how are they looking at you now? Any calls?
Everyone's like, especially first thing everyone will fight is your notes. I want. I have 3 people waiting for the notes. So, and they certainly come up to you with, with something like, as in like you have the formula for how you've got it, give it to us, give it right now.
Right.
It's like that.
Okay.
So they come up to you with that expectation. And I'm sure I went up to many of my seniors with the same thing.
Okay.
But eventually I realized that it's up to you.
Like who follows your formula during your preparation, you are with us as a student of the classroom program.
Yeah.
So that and your preparation, what was your exact formula? How did it all come together?
Well, when I thought of doing my PG entrance, so I went around asking my seniors and my professors in college and everywhere, and one thing they did was give me like a list of books. Do this book, do this book, do this book. I bought those books. I opened those books and I was like, it's quite repetitive. These things are your, the same thing is your, same thing is your. It was all repetitive. And so that was the thing when I actually thought that I should join something where I'm getting a new matter. And that was the reason I came to Vidyasagar. I thought, if nothing, even in a day, if I get 2 new topics to learn, it's worth it. Let me do that rather than doing the same thing again and again. So that was my approach with which I came to Vidyasagar. And it really paid off. Because even in like every week we used to have one lecture, one subject or one lecture. So during the week I would just prepare everything that I could do, come in the end and see what new they have to teach me, and then next day just go and solve all the papers. It was a very simple way, no hassle, nothing, and it was quite clear. I was quite sure, and I was just every day I used to make my notes like you can't read that blood is red or the sun is a star. These things are something you know. So something new that you don't know, I would just write. So I had this huge sheet of book which I actually made myself, writing new things any day, anywhere that I read or learned.
Okay.
So during on the last day of my exams, I would just read that and go and get the exam and come back.
Okay.
That was my only
So Vidyasagar helped you to learn new topics and test them immediately.
Yeah, test them that. And one thing with dental students is that our basic sciences are very weak. It's never taught anywhere, neither we learn it. Okay. So for me, Vidyasagar gave me that one niche which I had actually not learned at all. I have spent nearly 7 months doing my basic sciences and just 2 months my dental subjects. So that was a big change for me. And I could have not got it somewhere else except for the class, and I'm very thankful for that. That's the reason I keep on saying it was quite a change. And every day, be the books, be the topic, be the subject. Even though everything was new only because I had never studied basic sciences to that depth.
Correct.
So this is what I got it from here.
So the game changer was kind of basic sciences because those were...
Because dental subject everyone does and everyone knows very well. Basic sciences is where we fight for, and
there you kind of excel because you got that kind of questions. Because we have that database of questions which are same for medical, dental, in education. How do you rate the teachers? How was the teachers in the class? The teaching methodology and everything?
Teachers, more than teaching, as I said, a lot of thing they played was in the approach. I had attempted a year before. I had given my all India exams and I just gave it in fun because I finished my internship and I had enjoyed my internship with nothing. So I had studied 2 months and I had done one basic book and I gave my AIPG. I scored some 500 rank all India. So I was like, now if I want to do it, let me do it seriously and let me make it happen. That was my basic aim.
Let me make it happen.
Make it happen, this time. Now the problem was that I remember one thing which I done terribly wrong in my All India exam last year. I marked some 100 questions, and after my 100 questions, I took 2 hours to mark those 100 questions, and I realized that 25 I'm not getting. I was like, Sabha, forget it, you're out of the race now. There's no point. I just marked rest essay and I came back. So this thing, Arun sir came and he said, never ever go into that thing, just keep on solving every question at a good pace. And don't think every question has a result. It's nothing. Your job is to just see every question as a new question with a fresh mind. Just do that, and that's your job. Correct. Don't think of the result at the moment when you're solving your paper. So that was very important. And in fact, I wrote a testimonial and I wrote there that I remember those words and I remember those lines actually when I was solving the paper again and again.
Okay.
That if I don't know something, no one else knows, so you better solve it. No one else knows, so don't get that. Don't be worried about that thing.
Yes.
So that
was in the class.
You have it in your hand.
Do you think Vidyasagar played some role in that?
Yeah, I was actually doing, as I told you, that I used to, every subject, every week we used to prepare and I used to make my own notes, which I felt was, something like that. And Arun sir took one of the lectures, and actually his lecture was more about the approach. That first lecture that he took us, it was more about the approach, how to go about it. And he said, this is how he did it. So I was quite reinforced that, I'm on the right track.
I'm on the right, you're on the right track. I think, yeah.
So correct. That was a reinforcement. So that again is, a confident booster that, okay, I'm on the right.
Correct. You need that indication that I'm on the right track.
I'm on the right track. So, and every day in exams and test of course, so many papers, so many MCQs. And in case I'm not here, though, they would even courier it at home. Though it's available online. I had this, a month before the exam, there was this whole package courier at my home. Very urgent, very important. My mom was like, what has come? Just go and look. And I opened it, was all papers from Vidyasagar.
Correct.
I don't know how to solve it. I've done it online. I was very particular about my papers. Every Sunday I would take and make sure that I solve as much as I can. I felt, the pattern of repeats is gone. In dental especially, there is hardly any repeats. And this time's Maharashtra paper was quite new. It was like very fresh paper. I came out of the exam and I told my friends like, I've done 80 that I knew the question I'd heard of. 20 that not even heard like that. It was like that.
Correct.
So they were like, but they were like, ours is 60. I could hear, that it's even lower and lower.
Correct.
I was like, okay, let's see what happens.
Correct. You could already see the age that you had already.
Judged from that.
Yes, some role in that. See, how do you look at the Vidyasagar material in terms of the booklets which were given to you, the lessons? Did they help you in revising or making your
Especially
own notes?
for basic sciences it helped. And dental I didn't bother very frankly because dental was strong. Dental is something that we do very well in our UG days.
Correct.
So for medical I did open the books and
it helped a lot. So those one-liners or information bits and tables and stuff, they did help.
Exactly.
And what about the question quality in your tests which you solved? Were they diverse? Were they complex? Were they representative of all topics?
Of course, they were mixed bag. There was everything. Best thing that I liked about the papers was there used to be those 1-2 topics which were like I never heard of ever. Like I have never come across it. So I would be so happy. Oh wow, this is a new thing. So I could just just note down that this question is from a very new topic I never read before. So I knew this is something I need to go back and read through the book and really update myself with that. So it opened a new niche for me. Those 1-1 questions.
They were like again an opportunity to go back and pick up that or revise that part of it in a different way.
It was very helpful. Vidyasagar, for this especially, the question papers that were made in such a way that those 1-2 questions which you get, maybe that question would not be asked in the exam, but something from the topic will definitely come.
Will get kind of resonated in that question.
Yeah, somewhere, and you can solve the question once you are aware of the topic or at least have a basic knowledge of it.
So it helps you to revise that topic or that subtopic very effectively.
Yeah, totally.
And the explanatory answers, how do you rate them? In terms of the explanations given of the MCQs, did they also help to redirect your...
Like instantly, you don't have to, in one question that answer is given, you can just go through the entire topic in the solution itself.
Correct.
It's not just an answer, it's like the whole topic there itself.
Correct. It's like a whole topic
it's
miniaturized there.
Yeah, it's so instant, it's so convenient.
Correct. Okay.
especially when, especially online. Moment, like you answer and just below it you get the entire solution set with all the tables. Question is asked is probably on a line of the table.
The online platform, what was the experience? Did it work well? Any issues with the online program?
No, I used online fully. Sundays was reserved for online solving. I used to do that. Repetitively I did it. So,
It worked well, the system worked well, you got
system
solutions and
worked well,
everything,
everything,
reports, everything. So you're happy with the online platform?
Yeah, totally.
You would recommend that should be a way of studying?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I think you should, in a week, you should make sure it 3 hours or 6 hours, whatever, but give time to that thing. And
Did you also listen to audio lectures online?
I remember I missed a CD lecture, and I spoke to Saroj, sir, the one who manages everything. So he said it'll be there online. Tension mat lo. I was like, again, I even telling him I miss CD and I don't know CD. So he's like, those lectures are over. Even in the MBBS side, so I can't help you now. So the online thing and just the video
Audio.
uploading thing, they just started audio thing.
Okay.
Just like it's coming out, don't worry. So it actually
Suna aapne?
yeah, so
That's good.
by June it was there and I read it. Yeah, it was great.
Okay.
It was because that topic was so difficult for me to actually go through. The books are series like your PSM.
Correct.
Like that.
Yeah.
So it was very nice. Biostats and all. Who's going to read it again?
I
It's so
saw it.
boring.
Chi-square test and
Yeah, who's going to read it again? So I wanted someone who could just feed me.
Did it work message for the next upcoming batches of Vidyasagar students or even students otherwise who are preparing for the entrances now upcoming? What do you?
I would just tell them that if you want it, then just go ahead and get it. There is nothing like you
Correct.
can't do it or anything.
You just have to be clear how to go about it and just go about it.
No, if you want it, you will get the clarity of
Uh-huh.
because you want it so much. So
Correct.
there will be ways open, and you will make way for yourself.
This is brilliant. This is brilliant, Dr. Subha. This is really like icing on the cake.
Yeah.
That if you want it,
You want
then
it,
the
you have
doors
it.
will open. That desire will carry in itself the seed of its own fulfillment.
Exactly.
And anyhow then you will
Exactly.
and anyhow then you will
You will reach. You will be there.
You will reach there.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And of course there is a roadmap, and the roadmap probably involves self-study and coaching. Of what are your plans for the future, Dr. Subha?
Study another 3 years and then let's see.
Yeah. First foremost, first chill.
Not to just meet everyone that you not met in 4 years. Study another 3
Great
years.
pleasure. Godspeed. And I'm sure your parents are very happy and very proud.
Yes. Thank
And
you.
you should have a brilliant soul, I can see that.
Yeah, totally. Thank you, sir. Happy go lucky guy.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.